Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. Infosys has released the biggest hiring for 2026 batch, and the role here is SP and DSE role, right? Okay. Now, friends, they are definitely going to hire. They are definitely going to hire a lot more candidates because already Infosys has told they are going to hire 20,000 candidate. If you go to our videos, and here also you will be seeing, where is it, right? So Infosys 20,000 hiring, that you are already aware. Now friends, how to prepare so that you will be able to crack the exam? You can use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini to crack the first round. Okay, I will give you the complete detail in this particular video. Okay, now, so first we will look at the new exam pattern. So what is the change in their exam pattern, that we will see. So friends, roles and compensation, right? So specialist programmer, L3 it is 21 LPA, and then L2 we have 16 LPA, then L1 10 LPA plus 1 lakh joining bonus, and DSE 6.25 LPA. Recruitment process: round 1 online virtual assessment, that is for 3 hours. Here you can use ChatGPT. See, company is only telling use AI tools, use AI tools, use AI. So we will be using AI in the first round. Second round, but what to do in the second round? In-person assessment, 3 hours and interview. And then this will be programming focused evaluation. Friends, 3 hours test is there, or whatever interview is there. Their main focus is on dynamic programming. Okay, and then we have trees, we have graph, but for all those things we also have to have the knowledge of arrays, string, right? So at any cost, if you are able to clear the L1 also, 10 plus 1 11 lakhs per annum, it is far better than TCS prime role. See, at the end money matters. How many people, see, today if you are joining TCS for prime role 9 LPA, how many years you are going to be in TCS? Maximum 2 to 3 years. 80% of the people who will join TCS now for the prime role, after 2 to 3 years they will leave. Some 20% they will stay, right? Why 80% people leaves? Because babu na bhaiya jadba rupaiya. So wherever you will get more money, definitely you will switch. So at any cost we have to clear this, and for that I'm going to tell you 25 days. Okay, so it's not 25 days, we will be minimizing this. Okay, so within how many days you will be able to clear this? Okay, that we will talk. But friends, before that I just wanted to tell you, so we have launched Infosys SP and DSE crash course. Okay, medium and complex question covered, daily live classes, live doubt clearing session, recordings available. Okay, mainly in Java. So friends, mainly we will be doing it in Java code, but C++ and Python code also will be covered with that. Okay, because all 3 language it's not possible to do, and that time price, if you'll see the price also, we will be not keeping it too much, right? So the nominal price, I think here it is showing more, but if you try to buy, it will be around 512 rupees. Okay, so that is what you have to pay. Okay, now, so Online Study for You has finally launched. Generally we do not do it. SP and DSP 1 month marathon live classes. Okay, this will mainly for Infosys SP and DSE role preparation. Now many of the students are thinking, so once this particular exam date is known, then they will prepare. So once the exam date will be announced, you will be hardly getting 3 to 4 days for preparation. Do you think you will be able to prepare in 3 to 4 days? This problem levels are so complicated, right? And the classes will be by Manisha ma'am. See, if somebody were asking, sir, what is the probability that my resume will be getting selected? Sir, resume selection will happen or not? You tell me which company does not filter the resume. See, if your resume is not good, then you will not be getting the exam email. But which company does not? You tell me which company does not filter the resume, right? So here already ATS based resume is there for the freshers template. This is for freshers only. See, company is specific and ATS based resume, right? So you will be getting the ATS scores, right? AI will write for you. Lot of things are there, right? So and then your resume will definitely get selected, because company filters a resume on your ATS score. Okay, so this is for ATS based resume. That is what I am suggesting it to you. Anyway, so you enroll in the course as soon as possible. See, in college you gave 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, right? But here 500 rupees feels very big amount for you. But you think of, if you will get 11 LPA, 21 LPA, then your whole direction of the career will change. Okay, anyway, so now in this 25 days, what Manisha ma'am, and sir, how does Manisha ma'am teach? How we will know? So already you see, so Infosys SP and DSE question asked on 24th of April. So you can see how Manisha ma'am teaches. Infosys SP and DSP most repeated question. You can see how ma'am teaches. Based on that you join. See, here you will get how the teacher is teaching, and then only you join. Nobody is forcing you, and everything is quite open for all of you, right? Okay, now so let's see in this 25 days what ma'am has planned for you. So this 25 hours basically, so we might try to take more hours on Saturday, Sunday, like that we will try to do. So Infosys SPDSC 26 complete preparation guide. Understand the exam before you start. About Infosys DSE, that we know. These roles are high paying product level position, requires a strong DSA plus problem solving plus logical thinking. Okay, so these are the salary details. Types of questions asked. So these questions are pattern based and logic heavy, not basic syntax. So they won't be asking you basic syntax and all. Arrange a string, sliding window, 2 pointers, hasing, binary search. See, even though the most of the questions will be asked from your dynamic programming, graphs, BFS, DFS, heaps, okay, trees and BST, but these things are required, then only you will be able to solve. It's not like, sir, ma'am is going to waste time into array and string. Arey bhai, kaise solve karoge dynamic programming, right? Okay, then, so important reality about SP and DSE, memorizing question cannot do, studying only shortcuts you cannot do. Understanding patterns, practicing consistently, and building strong problem solving skills, right? Okay, so many students make a critical mistake, jump directly to trees, graph, dynamic programming without a strong basics. They struggle heavily. Okay, and ma'am is already, she has worked as SDE. Okay, so here the right approach, sliding window used in string and DP, hasing used everywhere, binary search used in optimization problem, stack and queue used in trees and graph, recursion, base of DP and backtracking. That's why this course follows foundation, core, advanced, mixed problems. Let's check out the 25-day schedule. Day 1, arrays basics. Okay, prefix sum, 2 pointers, sliding window, hasing, greedy algorithm. Okay, binary search advanced, recursion, backtracking, strings. Okay, and then linked list basics, linked list advanced, stack, queues and DQ, trees. Okay, trees, traversals, all those things will be there. And friends, also here if you'll see inside the course, we are giving you 2 things. If you'll see the content, okay, so we are giving you DSA white book part 1 and part 2. So from basic to advanced level is covered. Okay, so almost around 200 questions has been covered from basic to advanced level. It's not only basics, trees, graph, all these questions are covered. Okay, and then we have also put DSA using Java. So core Java DSA complete course. Okay, and DSA practice lead problems, lead code problems are there. Okay, so this will help you to practice the codes before that. So the course will be mainly in Java, but you will be getting the codes for others like in Python as well as C++. Okay, so wish you all the best. Don't think about 500 rupees, because many times we compromise because of 500 rupees and then we don't get the result. So it's my request, please go ahead with this course. You will definitely be benefited. Thank you.